I don't think it's so much that we're engineering corn, it's more like corn is engineering us. Because if you're going to measure any species by, you know, how prolific it is, well, we've made corn a worldwide operation wherever we are. That's where corn is. I'm Matthew Repke. I am a lab and field technician at Syngenta, and I earned my AS in biology at Inver Hills Community College. As a lab and field technician, my daily work is changing every day depending on the season. In the off season, we're filling packets with corn and organizing it, laying it out, and then we plant it, and from there we let the life cycle of the corn dictate the work. Whether we're counting it in an off-site field, or we're measuring the height right after we pollinate it, or pollinating itself, throwing bags on top of it so that we can make inbreds, making sure that we are staking it, because we have to be able to identify where it is, what it is, but just about every week it's different. What I love most about my job is working outside. I get to sweat and get tan, but I also get to use my brain. Constantly collecting data. This corn goes on a long journey, and every bit of data counts. Something most people don't know about corn is how much work goes into just the corn. It's not like other plants. Just about every single stalk out here, the tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands, each one has got, you know, minutes of work on it, and every little kernel is tracked. It's got its own barcode, and whether or not that's gonna end up on someone's dinner table, who knows. If you're eating a bag of Doritos, you're eating the corn. If you're eating deep fried food, you're eating corn. It's not just corn on the cob, it's everywhere. We need it, and that's a pretty good position for any species to be in, for humans to need you no matter what. Inver Hills prepared me because all of the labs actually, working with a group, collaborating, and certainly the faculty prepared me a lot because well, they're good. I love the biology department, first off. I know I have the confidence to proceed with something without necessarily running it by, running it up the chain, because I already know that, the life cycle of a plant. I know what I've found is a lot of data collection involves a lot of interpersonal communication skills. You're going to be working with all kinds of maybe volunteers, students who really don't have any experience at all, and you need to be the person with experience to get them rolling. What's going to make these kids tick? Why do I make them care? Well, you're trying to feed kind of the developing world, essentially. It's every single corn is on like a decades-long journey. You're part of that. Let's gather some data. If you're not going to have a PhD, let's help the people with the PhD. You're part of the solution, essentially, when you're out here. It might be just a silly paycheck, but you're doing something quite a lot bigger than yourself.